How to turn on page mention notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page mention notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner and scroll down until you find here pages, and then click select your page, and now just click this settings icon in the top corner and click notifications and click on Facebook. Now all you need to do, you will find it like that. All you need to do is just one click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.